After spending over 50 years land-based fishing and helping develop signature surf rod series, veteran surfcasters like Alberto Knie have tested just about every surf stick on the market. Professional anglers and gear testers have put hundreds of hours on the sand, casting heavy sinkers past breakers, slinging lures for bluefish and Spanish mackerel, and battling everything from bull reds to 6-foot sharks. The verdict? Not all surf rods perform equally, and picking the wrong one will cost you fish. Today we're breaking down the 6 best surf fishing rods heading into 2026, backed by real field testing and expert analysis. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 6, we've got the Ugly Stik Bigwater Spinning Rod. If you've been fishing for any amount of time, you know the Ugly Stik name. These things have a reputation for being nearly indestructible, and the Bigwater takes that same toughness and scales it up for serious surf work. The Bigwater features Ugly Tech construction, combining graphite and fiberglass to create a strong yet sensitive rod. You're getting a blank that can take abuse, but still lets you feel what's happening down there. The Ugly Tough one-piece stainless steel guides eliminate insert pop-outs, which is huge when you're dealing with sand and salt constantly grinding away at your equipment. Real users consistently report these rods lasting 15 to 20 years with proper care. One reviewer paired it with a Penn Battalion III 8000 and landed an 18 to 20-inch smallmouth base on his first outing, calling it a strong, tough, durable workhorse rod. Here's the honest truth, though. Some anglers find the Ugly Stik has too slow of an action with too much flex for casting and jigging applications. If you're throwing metal all day and want a snappy feel, this might not be your first choice. But for soaking bait and dealing with occasional monsters, bulletproof. The 7-year warranty seals the deal. At number 5, we've got the Okuma Rockaway. This rod has quietly built a cult following among serious surf anglers, and there's good reason why. For under $100, you can't beat the price. The rod is super light and sensitive, constructed on a 24-ton carbon blank with XQ Series angled Seage 316 stainless steel frames. One experienced surfcaster on Long Island reported owning 6 Rockaway rods, calling his 10-foot ML paired with a Daiwa Legalis 4K at less than 19 ounces total, a combination that feels good on the shoulder after hours of casting and reeling. The HD version features a 70-30 tip over butt ferrule connection that gives the rod a true one-piece feel so you can really load up and cast as far as possible. Where does the Rockaway fall short? The 1-year warranty is pretty stingy compared to other brands, and some users have reported tip breakage under stress. But for the price point, you're getting way more rod than you'd expect. Number 4 brings us to a staff. Favorite among fishing experts, the Penn Battalion II. The second-generation Penn Battalion II spinning rods offer new SLC2 construction with inner spiral carbon wraps and outer layers of longitudinal carbon fibers, which provide an extremely strong yet balanced rod. Composite blanks, Fuji Alkanite guides, Fuji reel seats, and tough and tacky rubber shrink tube handles provide a secure grip whether wet or dry. One angler claimed the rod feels like a wand, stating whenever he uses it, he catches halibut and outfishes just about everyone because of the perfect balance with backbone and sensitivity. Another reviewer nicknamed it the Battalion Stallion, thinking of it as a workhorse for casting heavy rigs far into the surf, noting he fished it for a solid week in the Outer Banks with no issues. The Battalion II pairs perfectly with Penn's own Battalion III and Spinfisher 6 spinning reels. For the money, you're getting premium components at a reasonable price point. Moving into the top 3, number 3 is the Penn Carnage III. This is Penn's flagship surf rod, and when experts tested it, it stood out for a specific reason. Every surf angler needs an all-around medium-weight bait rod for long, accurate casts. Penn's Carnage III is the 3rd generation of their top-of-the-line model with great components at a reasonable price. World champion longcaster Ryan White put it simply, you get a lot of bang for the buck. The Penn Carnage III rods represent the next generation of high-performance rod building with powerful, lightweight blanks that are also extremely durable. The proprietary SLS3 blank construction provides a very thin diameter blank while maintaining a lightweight feel. Real users have compared it directly to custom surf rods, with one reviewer stating he can't tell the difference between his Carnage III and custom surf rods, praising the high-quality components and good casting distance. The Carnage III is a little on the bulky side, but the extra weight translated into extra strength. making the rod tough enough to serve as a reliable medium-action rod for striped bass, redfish, and black drum. One caveat: some users have complained the reel seat on certain models runs small. Double-check your reel compatibility before buying. At number 2, we've got what many Northeast striped bass anglers consider the gold standard, the St. Croix Siege. Narrowing down the best surf fishing rod for striped bass isn't easy, so experts consulted Nick Honachevsky, host of Saltwater Underground and a New Jersey-based surf angler. Without hesitation, Honachevsky recommended the St. Croix Siege Surf Spinning Rod. The Seage series of surf casting rods is designed to handle punishment without sacrificing performance. They are extremely strong and durable, yet still slim and lightweight. The Seage utilizes newly engineered SCII carbon fiber that is both stronger in flexural strength and lighter than its previous formulation. Strategic. Placement of ART and veil reinforcing technologies increases strength and impact protection. The 10-foot 6-inch model is incredibly versatile. According to Honachevsky, the rod handles a 3-ounce wooden plug, a 1-ounce sting silver, or throwing a chunk of clam with a 3 to 6-ounce sinker. The medium-heavy model can beat a 20-pound bluefish or 40-pound striped bass. One experienced angler wrote, "They are the very best rods he's ever used for plugging away for stripers and blues all day and all night," describing them as super lightweight, durable, and strong. Another owner reported his pole casts a mile for only being 8 feet and actually throws further than his 9-foot Tsunami, praising the backbone that lets him pick fish straight up onto the rocks. The 15-year St. Croix warranty makes this an investment that'll last. Taking our top spot at number 1, the St. Croix Triumph Surf Rod. You might be thinking the Triumph costs less than the Siege, so why rank it higher? Here's why. This rod nails the perfect balance of performance, quality, and value for the widest range of surf anglers. St. Croix's Triumph Surf Rod is the overall top surf fishing rod choice for good reason. It nails that perfect mix of features and value. This really is a premium rod at a manageable price point. The Triumph Surf Blank is made from St. Croix's SCI mid-modulus graphite fiber, which is lightweight, durable, and sensitive. While these aren't St. Croix's highest-end materials, they are the perfect balance of quality at a moderate price. Testers felt with the 10-foot version they could cast a mile. The power in action makes it easy for even beginners to cast long distances, which can be critical for success surf fishing. St. Croix has been making handcrafted rods for more than 70 years. Their attention to detail in rod building is legendary. They claim 32 pairs of hands build each rod. One angler reported using his 9-foot Triumph for over 2 years in every condition from Rhode Island, Connecticut, and Montauk, New York. It withstood big stripers and gator bluefish, as well as harsh storm conditions without batting an eye. Huge bonus for travelers. St. Croix offers the rod in a 4-piece travel variation with a 36-inch hard-sided travel case that includes padding. Game changer for flying anglers. Multiple owners report the rod feels very balanced, with reviewers praising catching slot stripers on their first cast. Those are your top 6 surf fishing rods for 2026. Quick recap: Ugly Stik Bigwater for bulletproof durability, Okuma Rockaway for incredible budget value, Penn Battalion II hits the mid-range sweet spot, Carnage III brings flagship power, St. Croix Siege is the striper specialist's dream, and our top pick, the St. Croix Triumph, gives you the best overall package. All links are in the description. Subscribe for more gear breakdowns, and drop a comment telling me which rod you're running this season. Tight lines, see you on the sand.